Google just dropped something the internet can't stop talking about, and it's called Nano Banana. Don't worry, it's not a fruit. It's Google's most advanced AI image editing tool. In just a few seconds, it can transform photos with a level of accuracy and consistency we've never seen before. So, what exactly is Nano Banana? It's the nickname for Google's new Gemini 2.5 Flash image model. Think of it as Photoshop on steroids, except you don't need editing skills. You simply type what you want, and the AI does the magic. From changing your hairstyle to merging two completely different photos, Nano Banana delivers edits in just 1 to 2 seconds. Here are some of the coolest things Nano Banana can do. 1. Consistency across edits. Unlike older AI editors, Nano Banana makes sure faces, pets, or objects stay identical even if you apply multiple edits. No more weird glitches. 2. Natural language control. Just write a prompt like, "Turn this street into Times Square at night," or "Put my dog in a superhero costume," and the AI gets it done. 3. Multi-image blending. You can combine several pictures into one realistic scene. Imagine uploading a vacation selfie and a stock photo of Paris, and instantly you're standing under the Eiffel Tower. 4. Speed. The edits are nearly real-time. What used to take hours in design software now happens in seconds. 5. Built-in authenticity. Every generated image comes with a visible watermark and an invisible Google Synth ID tag, so people can always tell it was AI made. This isn't just about fun selfies. For businesses, Nano Banana could completely change how ads, product shots, or social media visuals are made. Google even claims e-commerce brands have seen conversion rates go up by more than 30% using AI-edited visuals. So next time you hear the name Nano Banana, remember, it's not a snack, it's the future of image editing.